What's up everybody, in this video I will be showing you how X Empire launches pre-market trading with NFT vouchers ahead of token airdrop. So how you can get it. So for that all you have to do is to go and click on the triple dot on the top right corner, and in the menu you have to select trade NFT, and here you have to go to the buy and sell voucher. So go in it. So player can mint and trade NFT on Get Gems for pre-market trading, representing early access to X Empire tokens. Minting NFTs involves tone gas fees and 20% royalty on secondary salaries. So X Empire uses custom NFTs on Tone for trading, diverging from typical exchange listing seen in other games. The developers have not yet clarified the full conversion rate between in-game coins and tokens, adding a layer of complexity for players. Uh, Player can expect the token airdrop shortly after the end of the mining phase on September 30th. So that is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.